Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you an easy and beautiful DIY gift for Mother's Day using cardboard. So watch till the end, and if this idea is helpful to you, please do consider subscribing my channel. That is everything for today. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this DIY. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Try this out at your home and gift this to your mom for this Mother's Day. Do subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.